Tonight I made some coq van with mashed potatoes. I'm gonna plate it now. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. So first thing first, I got this premium bacon. I bought this in my local supermarket or Woolies or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just gonna cut it up to pieces, just the small pieces, just like this. Now I'm just putting in my air fryer for about 7 minutes. I don't want it to overcook, and just spread it out, and because if you overcook it, it might burn. So 7 minutes I think will be enough. Now I got some chicken, some grass-fed chicken, and I cut it into cubes, and all I'm doing is taking some pepper, some salt, and some olive oil. Don't over salt this because bacon's already quite salty, and just mix it together, and we're gonna add it to our air fryer at about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depends how dry you want it. Alright, now I got my shallots onion. I got 4 of them. They're quite small, and I'm just gonna cut them to small pieces, peel them, and then we're gonna fry those as well. Next we're gonna fry our shallots. I did only 3 shallots, not 5, because I didn't think it was necessary, but you're most welcome to do that. I'll just put a little bit of olive oil, and we're just gonna put it in our air fryer again, spread it out. And notice I didn't empty any of the oils I used, because I'm gonna use it for my sauce afterwards. Just gonna put it like this, and then cook it for about I would say 15 minutes, or even less if you want to, and then we're gonna do the next thing. So I'm gonna take my brown mushrooms. You can just break it by hand if you think it's too big. Mushrooms tend to shrink once they cook. All I'm doing is cutting it up to smaller pieces. Then I'm gonna take my olive oil after I spread it out nicely. I'm gonna take my olive oil and just put it all over the place, and I'm gonna put it in my convection oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Now that we cooked everything, we're just gonna put it all into one container, just like this, and our bacon and the onions, well as our mushrooms. Now we're going to create our sauce for the chicken. So first thing first, we're going to put red wine. Some people like to measure it. I just put it in what I feel. Then I'm going to take some chicken stock I have here. They say to put 1 glass of chicken stock. Just pour in what you think. Then we're going to add some tomato paste onto this as well. Next we're going to add some thyme, some dried thyme. Add a teaspoon of minced garlic. And I'm adding some parsley leaves and some salt. Like I said, everyone to their taste, so you taste it as you go. And then I'm just gonna cook it, and then put some flour as well to try to steam it out a bit so it would thicken, and I'll show you once I'm done. One thing I forgot to mention, anything that's left from the my air fryer, I'm just gonna add it to the sauce, and then I'm gonna start cooking it now. Alright, now that we made our sauce, we're just gonna pour it all over. So it's all in here, and just mix it all up together. And look at the beautiful colors that we got from this.